Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you an affiliate marketing program that pays you up to 300 USD per affiliate or per sales you made. As you know, on this channel, I share different affiliate marketing opportunities, networks that can help you to make money online. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have my browser, and also what I'm gonna do is to open this platform. First of all, we have to explore the platform and see what it does. So we have to type eTeacher. Once we type eTeacher in our computer, you can see we have this platform which is called eTeacher Group. That is all about online education. You can see it's all about online education with Leo connections. What we have to do, we have to open this platform and start by exploring different products and services they are also selling. As you know it, in affiliate marketing, you always earn money depends on which kind of service or product you have sold, and also it's a part of commission. That is where also the money you earn will always come from. The money you earn comes from the sales you have made from the certain product or certain services. So if you see here, we have this platform. So it's online educational platform, and also what they sell is all about courses. You can be able to see the statistics here about the courses sold, about the prospects, and also you can be able to join if you want to join. And also what you need to do is to be referring the student to be able to come and take these courses. Here, as you can see, these are also where they are located in France, USA, Israel. You can see also these are about email for contact, customer services support. You can see business partnership support. So now let's see now different kind of courses they have here. They have online schools. Also from the online schools, if we try to scroll down and see, there are different courses. For instance, they have app development courses, JavaScript, Python. So this is the one you can be able to see. Let's try to see this one for in the courses included in this context. What we need to do, we need to click on Explore Courses. After clicking on the courses exploration, you can see we are now going to be going to the course themselves. For instance, you can see I have to click on this one, Explore Courses. Now after clicking over there, you can see I have these kind of courses that have to be taken if I'm taking the ones, or also as an affiliate marketing partner, I have to be referring students who want to take the courses in this context to come and pay these courses. Once they pay these courses, I will be able to earn up to 300 USD per sale I made. Before we go to see seeing how we can be able to earn that money, let's now see how much money these courses be going to be sold, and also see how much money you can be making or as commission from every course you have sold here. For instance, let's open app development stars. You can see now it shows everything age 10 to 70. Now course information. You can also be able to see, let's see, 9 years. You can see whatever you click, you can be getting the different details. Now if you click there, the courses in English, the courses will be 1 hour plus 1 hour practice weekly. Now let's see how much money you can be able to pay for this course. For instance, this course registration fee, free refundable, including 2 trial lessons. The monthly for months payment also is going to be paid. Now let me click here, for instance, to see what is going to be happening and what is information is going to be bringing. For instance, if I click on this one to 10 to 17 years, I'm going to be getting this amount. So what I'm only looking on this is an amount of money they pay on this course to see how much money we can be able to earn as an affiliate, because it's the one we are focusing now on in the video. So for instance, you see this course, you pay 49 USD. Now this is 39 USD. That's the amount of money you're gonna be paying to be able to register in this course. And also after that, you'll be paying 84 USD monthly for 9 months. So let's now try to multiply by 84 USD. If we take 84 USD and multiply by 9 months, we're gonna see we're gonna be having, let's for instance multiply and see how much we're gonna be having. So 84 times 9, that's gonna be 756 USD. The total amount of courses you should be paying at the end of the free course plus 49 registration fee, that's gonna be around also 800. So from 800 also, that is where we'll be able to earn a commission. You need also always to think how much money can you be able to earn, and also where that money will be coming from. This is an example for the first course, and also let's try to see another course to be in order to go to the affiliate marketing platform or affiliate marketing place to see where we can get started and how we can get started to earn our money. Also, okay, let's now see robotics champions and see if the money is the same. For instance, if you want someone also to be able to attend this course for robotics, now you can see it's a 49 USD and it's a 4. Okay, you can see mostly maybe the money are gonna be somehow similar, the cost, or maybe they're a little different. Now let's go to affiliate. Our affiliate program, we can be able to see now also how much money you can be able to earn and also where we can be getting started. So now to start earning money is affiliate marketing program. What we do is to come here at the top. You can see I have different reviews. What I do now, I'm gonna be going back to teacher group. After this, you can see there are courses. What I do, I have to click on affiliate. You can see I have affiliate link. These are affiliates. Now after clicking there, I am now directed to the platform itself. Here they are saying start earning. I have to click on start earning because I want to start earning money. So you can see take part on a program for handless over 23 years of online education and earn up to 400 USD. Now you can see PQ products, start everything. Now let's click on it here, start earning. We don't need to go through a lot of stuff. Now after this, what you need to do is to sign up. You can see you have to fill out all these informations, and also once you are done with this information filling, you have also to submit. Once you submit it, you have to wait for review and they will approve you accordingly. So let's so simply you can even go there because here I wanted to show you how it works. I want to show you how the courses and how the pricings are also, so that you can be able to know if you can be continuing with this platform or not, or if there is such amount of money they can donate to be able to pay you as a partner of marketing partner. And also you can be even going direct to this affiliate marketing platform where you can be writing eTeacher affiliate. So if I write eTeacher affiliate, so I can even write eTeacher now. Yes, now I click on this affiliate link, this one. So after I click on this affiliate link, you can see this one direct user to going to explore the platform, and you can see they sell up to 300 per sale made. So you can be going to be reading different details and different instructions, depends on what you need. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share this with your friends, and also turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. Now see you in the next video.